Find out the truth. What's up, fitness crew? Blaze Marshall here. Who here has felt the awful muscle soreness the day after a workout and wondered, can I even work out today? Pay attention, because in today's video, I'm going to tell you all about this soreness and give you tips to get back to training quickly. Hey, fitness crew, have you ever felt that terrible muscle soreness the day after training and thought, do I need to wait for this soreness to go away before I train again? If this question has ever crossed your mind, stick with me until the end, because I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this and also give you some valuable tips to speed up your recovery. Let's go. First, let's understand what this soreness is that appears after training. It's called delayed onset muscle soreness, or simply DOMS. Basically, it happens when you do a more intense workout than your body is used to, or when you try a new stimulus. It's like the muscle suffers micro tears. Don't worry, this is normal. And then, while it recovers, that feeling of soreness and stiffness comes. But hold on, feeling this pain doesn't mean you need to stay still until it disappears completely. In fact, with some care, you can continue training and even speed up recovery. The quick answer is yes, but in moderation. If the pain is mild or moderate, the kind you feel but doesn't stop you from doing anything, you can train. But it's important to avoid overloading the same muscle group that's already sore. For example, if you trained legs yesterday and today they're killing you, it's okay to do an upper body workout, some light cardio, or even a lighter leg workout without much weight. But if the pain is very intense, the level where you can barely move, it's best to give your body more rest and invest in recovery. There are a few things you can do to relieve muscle soreness and get back to training faster. One of them is stretching and mobility, but don't overdo it. Light and controlled movements help to loosen the muscles and decrease the feeling of stiffness. Another tip is massage or myofascial release. A foam roller can be your best friend in these moments. Massage helps increase blood flow to the sore area, which speeds up muscle recovery. Diet and rest are also essential for muscle recovery. Protein is essential for muscle rebuilding, while carbohydrates help replenish the energy spent during training. And we can't forget about sleep. It's during sleep that our body truly recovers, so don't neglect your nights of sleep, okay? And if you think you need to stay put while you're sore, know that light or active training can help you recover faster. A light walk, a light jog on the treadmill, cycling, yoga, these activities help increase blood circulation in the sore area, which decreases pain and speeds up recovery. But remember, the intensity should be light. Don't try to be a superhero and end up making things worse, okay? Listen to your body and respect your limits. In short, feeling muscle soreness after training is normal and you can continue training as long as you respect your body. If the pain is mild, go for it. If it's intense, take a break. Have you ever stopped training because of this pain? Tell me in the comments. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss more tips like these. See you in the next video, and let's train smart.